Pause for a second, alright? Pause for a second. Come a little closer, let me tell you something. Closer, wait, stop, not that close, we're not that close yet. Step back a little. Alright, let me tell you something, alright? The choice would be so easy. Of course, I would choose luck, if it is luck. But if it is purposely misspelled, then I will choose, of course, going back to the past, since I will have all the knowledge of the present, and I can be a successful person by investing, and better yet, creating my own business. So, if it is luck, then I will choose luck. But if it's lick, then I would not choose it. Wait, but I think I want lick, right? I think I want the green. I want the green. I want the green pill. You want? Give me the green pill. Give me the green pill now. Give